Hello beautiful buds, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out SimplyEarth. And basically what SimplyEarth is a subscription box that sends you 100% pure essential oils, but with a really cool twist. So SimplyEarth actually is like an essential oil DIY company. So what they do is every month you get your 4 essential oils and a few little bonus extras, and then once every 6 months you get a big bonus box with a bunch of different like supplies and jars and carrier oils and all that good stuff. And then you get like 5 to 6 recipe cards every single month so that you can make DIYs like body butters and roll-ons and sprays and foot scrubs and bath soaks and all of this crazy stuff with the oils that they send you. So I'm like a DIY junkie, and so when I heard about the service I was super excited, and SimplyEarth was kind enough to send me this box and provide a discount for you guys. So I'll put the code right here. It's just Megan20 and you can use that to get a $20 gift card with your first order. So I've never used SimplyEarth before, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and then try out some of the DIYs and then come back at the end with a review. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome! I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Megan and I post new affordable and ethical lifestyle content every Monday and Friday, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below so that you can see all of my DIYs and thrift hauls and reviews of cool ethical products that make the world a better place. Before I get started with the unboxing, I do want to get a little housekeeping item out of the way. If you haven't entered the BRANDLESS giveaway, please go and do so. The link will be down in the description as well as in my last video if you watched that. But basically BRANDLESS is giving away their entire clean beauty collection to one of you guys, and it's free to enter, so go do that. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the products, and I am so excited.
Okay, so before I try these out, I just wanted to show you guys what's inside. So this is the monthly box. And first of all, it comes with some cute little sticker labels so you can see all the stuff that you're gonna make and label it so that you don't forget what it is, which is always good. And then here are actually the recipe cards. So for this month we have a foot cleansing salt scrub. Ooh, a calming diffuser blend. I definitely need that. Clarifying roll-on. Oh, I love roller balls. Sore muscle soak. That would be really good if you're like an athlete. Whipped body butter. And a car diffuser recipe. So that's a lot of stuff. Are you going to be able to make all of that? You're going to be able to make all of that from this one box. So let's take a look at the actual oils. So first we have eucalyptus, and these are 100% pure essential oils, which is really cool because you actually know what's in them. Then we have spearmint. I don't have anything like this, so I'm really interested. Then this one is sleepy. And then this last one here is lemongrass. Something that's really cool about SimplyEarth that really like drew me to them as a brand is that they do donate 13% of all of their proceeds to end human trafficking. So that's really cool. And then I do not know what's in here. Oh my gosh. This might be the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's a little clay Frenchie puppy, and then you can stick it in your car and you put the drops of essential oil on there. It becomes a car diffuser. This is so cute. So I guess the first time you order and then like occasionally again after that, you get this big bonus box. And first of all, how freaking cute is the packaging? This is adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna open this guy here. I have not seen the inside yet. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, wait, what's in this little envelope? So it says your big bonus box includes a carrier oil, hard oil, beeswax, and containers to get you through the next 6 recipe boxes. Okay, so I think you get one of these boxes every 6 months. Each month you'll still receive your recipe box jam-packed with 4 essential oils, recipe cards, and fun extras. And then there's like a little schedule. Cute. Okay, so what is in here? There's so much stuff. You've got little spray bottle, so cute. I think this is like a travel bottle for like lotion or cream. Ooh, this spray bottle is stainless steel. There's a couple of those. We have some assorted jars, some little ones. I'm not sure if you can read this, it's really bright in here, but this is almond oil. Then we've got coconut oil, a packet of beeswax, and then it looks like the rest of this in here is just like storage stuff. So this is like a little vial. We've got a little tin here with a clear top. Oh, some little rollerball containers. These are really nice. They're glass. They're really pretty. A little eyedropper guy. More assorted pots. Some of the like actual little essential oil dropper guys. There's just so much in here. This is like a chapstick tube. I'm so excited to use all of this.
So I used 4 out of the 6 recipe cards that they sent this month to do some DIYs, and I actually filmed them because I thought it might be fun for you guys to see like what it's actually like in action. I was really surprised at how easy these DIYs were. The first one was just an essential oil diffuser blend, which was really nice and it smells really good. I do have to say that their diffuser is really awesome as well. That did not come with the box, but I think it's pretty cheap if you want to buy it. The next DIY I did was the rollerball, and this is the clarifying rollerball. I'll try to show you. Focus, there we go. So this is what it looks like. And I think this was the DIY that I was the most excited about. I just love rollerballs for some reason. And this one smells really good and really fresh. Also, weirdly enough, the spearmint oil like kind of helps clear up my sinuses a little bit. So I'm gonna keep this in my purse and kind of just use it to like calm down and then maybe clear my sinuses every once in a while when I'm having bad allergies. You never know. And for this, I used 2 of the essential oils from this month's box, as well as the almond carrier oil, which came in the big bonus box. Next, I did the little car diffuser, and it's so cute. It's this little white clay diffuser, and it's in the shape of like a Frenchie puppy, I think. And basically, I just took 3 drops of the lemongrass oil and 3 drops of the spearmint oil and kind of dropped them onto that guy and rubbed it in a little bit, and then stuck it in the little, like, what would you call those? Like, blindy thingies. There's definitely a word for those that I'm forgetting. Anyway, the thing where the AC comes out of my car, so not every time I turn the AC on, it's gonna like blow those oils and make the car smell really fresh. And I thought this was such a cute little extra for them to add on. It gave the box a lot of like personality. And I love dogs, so I'm just really excited to have it in my car. And then the very last one I did was the whipped body butter. This was definitely the most intensive of all of the DIYs. It involved coconut oil, almond oil, and then I believe it was the Sleepy Time oil and let me grab the card. Yeah, okay, so it was the Sleepy Time oil and the spearmint essential oil. And you basically just throw everything together in a bowl and then you use like a hand mixer, or you can use a KitchenAid if you want, although that seemed a little over the top to me. I didn't want to get my whole KitchenAid mixer dirty for like a tiny little thing. Not only did this smell really good, but it was also a really nice consistency when I first made it, but it's really hot here in Southern California right now. So I'm gonna throw this in the fridge so that it maybe like hardens up a little bit, because right now it's pretty liquidy. There were also 2 more recipes. One of them was for a foot scrub and the other one was for a bath soak, but I need to go and buy Epsom salt and sea salt for those. So I didn't get a chance to make them today, but they look really cool. Especially the bath soak. I wish that I had a bigger bathtub in my apartment, because I love like bath bombs and bath soaks and like bath sachet milk pouch thingies. I don't know what they're called. Overall, I thought this was a super, super cool box. I really liked that it was a very interactive thing instead of just like, here's an essential oil, diffuse it, or put drops of it on your skin. I was like, I actually got to make things, and as somebody who loves DIY, it was creative and calming, and also a really cool way to kind of like get used to / addicted to the smells of these oils. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, if you are interested in subscribing to Simply Earth, you can use the code MEGAN20 to get a $20 gift card with your first order, so you can use that to pay for part of your second box. Also, please let me know down in the comments below what essential oils are your favorite, because I am very new to the whole essential oils thing. I got some when I was in Thailand, and I'm like addicted to them now. So I'm looking for new ones that would be good for like anxiety and headaches and generally just like calming down and being a happier person. So let me know any of your suggestions in the comments below. Again, if you have a minute, please don't forget to like and subscribe right down here somewhere in this general area. I would love to have you here as a bud on my channel so that you don't miss any of the new videos that I'm posting in the future. But until then, I will see you guys all with my next video. I hope you're having a great day. Bye!